Excuse me, are you Mrs. Carter?
Yes. Sit down, Emma. I have been waiting.
Why did you ask me to come here alone?
Because I want to talk about my son.
Did something happen to Daniel?
Nothing happened yet, and I want to keep it that way.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
I want you to leave Daniel today.
Leave him? Why would I do that?
Because you do not belong in his life. Take this money and stay away from my son.
You think my feelings have a price tag?
Take this and go. Don't see Daniel again.
No, I won't do it.
You should think before you answer.
I have thought about it. My answer is no.
You work in a small restaurant and share one room.
Yes, but being poor does not make me a bad person.
Daniel will own my company one day.
I love Daniel, not his company.
Everyone says that when money is on the table.
Then take the money off the table and listen to me.
Perhaps $10,000 is not enough.
You can add another zero. I still will not take it.
Without Daniel, you may stay poor forever. I would rather be poor than sell someone I love. Do you really expect me to believe you?
No. But Daniel knows the truth about me.
Then why has he never brought you home?
Because he was afraid you would act exactly like this.
Be careful how you speak to me.
I am being careful, but I will not lie.
When did Daniel tell you his family was rich?
He did not tell me until 3 months later.
What did you think he did for work?
He told me he repaired cars in a small garage.
My son told you he was a mechanic?
He wanted to know if I liked him without his money.
And you expect me to believe that story?
You do not have to believe me. Ask Daniel.
You do not need to ask me, Mother. It is true.
Daniel, how long have you been standing there?
Long enough to hear you offer Emma money.
I was only trying to protect your future.
Emma protected me before she knew who I was.
What are you talking about?
My car hit a tree on the night we met.
Daniel, you do not need to tell her this.
Emma stayed with me and called for help.
Anyone could have called for help.
She also paid for my medicine with her savings.
You had lost your wallet. You needed the medicine.
Why did you never tell me about this?
Helping someone should not be used to buy their love. Please keep your money. I never wanted it.
I can see that now. Emma, I judged you before I knew you. I am sorry.
I accept your apology, but trust will take time.
Will you both have dinner with me tonight?
Yes, but please keep the money off the table.